Hey y'all, so we just went to Dollar General and Walmart to pick up a few things, and I thought that I would show you a quick haul. So let's get started. So the first thing we got was some, I don't ever know how to say this, sody. Anyway, there's laundry flakes. I had to get Ollie some more Cassie's, and then we got some OxyClean. So these two things right here are for me to use to make my own laundry detergent, and I will show you in this video how I make it. Then we just got some fabric refreshener for the couches and for Annie's dog bed. Then we're gonna run over here. My kitchen table is a mess. So this is, I'll show you those in a second because that's all together. So Jared's birthday is on Sunday, so we got a cake, and he wanted lemon icing, and then the 2 and 8 because he's going to be 28. We got some Smart Sweet Swedish fish. Those are for me, and this is for Jared, Sour Patch Kids. Okay, and then I thought these were really cool. I used them for nap time today, and it seemed to work out alright. This is the Zarbee's Calming Bedtime Spray and the Zarbee's Calming Massage Oil. And I'm going to start using those on the boys at night. I already used lotion to massage their feet, but I think I'm going to use this now. And I'll let you know how those two go. Now from Dollar General. All I got from Dollar General was Christmas stuff. I got this. I just thought this was so cute. It says Baking Spirits Bright. Comes with a red oven holder thing and a sugar cookie recipe. I also got a lace table runner, and I think I can use this all year, so that's what I'm excited about the most. Then, you know me and my mugs if you follow me on Instagram. Making Spirits Bright. I thought that was really cute. And then this right here, Merry Christmas. And what's cool about this, it lights up. And then this to go on the outside. I thought this was really cute. So, and what's cool, I can find things like this at Hobby Lobby for like 20 bucks, so I was really excited about that. One more thing, I got new slippers. I was so excited. New slippers, and I got this shirt that I'm wearing right now. It says Cuddles and Coffee. And also we got some slippers for Parker because he saw them and pitched a fit. I can't find the other one right now, but it's Paw Patrol. No, we can't open those right now. That's for Daddy.
Okay, so all you need for my DIY detergent is the Zote flakes, the laundry booster from Arm & Hammer, Borax, and OxyClean. All I do is literally pour it all into one container and shake it up. This is just an extra pitcher that we had, so I pour everything in there, and there's still some leftover detergent from before, so I had the pink laundry flakes last time instead of the white. That's the only difference for this. And then I'm also going to just show you a quick little peek of how much I put into each load at the end of this video.
I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love.
Alright, and that is how I make my laundry detergent. Here I am just showing you just about how much I use. Sometimes I use just 1 scoop, but I think I used 2 for this one. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you try this DIY laundry detergent, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.
I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you.